अपघातांचेर नियंत्रण हाडपा खातीर पार्टी हॉल नायट क्लबांच्या भायर येरादारी पुलीस तैनात करपाक सांगल्यात। जे नायट क्लबांतल्या रातच्या वेळार भायर सरतात तांची अल्कोमिटरा वरवीं तपासणी करप गरजेचें आसा। अशा प्रकारची यंत्रणा मुंबय आनी हेर राज्यांनी पळोवपाक मेळटा, अशें कायदो मंत्री आलेक्स सिक्वेरान सांगलें।
And the animal went up, came on the windscreen, broke the windscreen or smashed the windscreen. And we went forward, but because of the seatbelt, I didn't bang into anything and I was there. So I am in favor of people wearing seatbelts.
Accident खूप वाढले आहेत, खूप डेथ झाले असा.
Accidents have increased. Sometimes I'm not sure who is to blame, whether it is the driver or whether it is our roads. Invariably, I think it is the driver to be blamed. Unfortunately, lives are getting lost. Unfortunately, most of the people who are dying are young youth, and I think they have to be a little cautious. They have to be a little more responsible. And like you take a city, maybe the police have to do a little more. And if I may suggest to them, they are trying, definitely trying. But if I may suggest, plan their policemen outside wedding halls. Plan their policemen outside traffic police, outside clubs and all that. Because if you go to Bombay, today outside the club, outside the gymkhanas, a little ahead, you have traffic policemen who are there checking with the alcometers. And I have got friends who today ensure that if they are going for a party, either somebody is totally off alcohol and the others drink, or they don't drink, with the fear that the police will pull them out.
At least driver and tari pilna salaspa jai.
No, I'm talking about the driver. You be happy, be merry, have a ball. I have no issue.
So, what is the message for the youth?
The message for the youth is in today's world, there is scope for everything. In the years gone by, as sportsmen, our parents would not want us to spend time in sports because there was no future. But today, you excel in a sport, and you've done it. You take our cricketers, you take our footballers. Where have they not reached in today's times? It has become like their daily bread. You take even your studies. That's why I say, whatever you do, be serious, excel in whatever you do. Trust me, that is the biggest reward you can give your parents. You don't break your head, that is their problem.